Welcome to this 20-minute beautiful deep hip and spine opening workout. 20 minutes, 4 songs. Grab that magic circle. Shoulders set back, down and away from our ears. We're gonna feel so good when this is over. We're just gonna start to breathe. Inhale. Expand through the rib cage. Exhale. 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Just always center with your breath to begin. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. We're just gonna open up our entire body, guys. Basic stretching using this magic circle today. Doesn't get better than that. Let's just start taking it to our toes. Soft bend in your knees and come up to your chest. Slowly starting to warm up that back side of our body. 4 songs. We have 4 songs to work through. Now let's take it over our head. Going a little deeper. Beautiful job. Now we're going to just tap side to side. Just warming up in through the hips. Beautiful job. Soft bend in the elbows. Couple more. Just start to loosen up and through the hips, right? And that back is starting to open up. Now we're going to take it over our head. Down for 2. Over 2. Soft bend in your knees. Now we're going to take it to our toes. Roll it down. And roll it to the right. Shave it down. Come up over the crown of your head. Switching sides. Magic circle stretch. Couple more. Beautiful. Reach it down and reach it up. 2 more. 1 more, my friend. Now, very little. Left, center, right. Track 2. We're going to start warming up more and through the shoulders. Just lean it over to this left side of your body. Eye gaze to the ceiling. You're going to feel your entire right side of your body open up. Bend through the right elbow. And now switch. We're going to really get that upper body nice and loose, my friend. Track 2, shoulder opening. Now you're going to take the magic circle, look over that left shoulder. You're going to feel the beautiful rotation in through your spine. Rotate, soft bend in the right elbow. Start to open up in through that upper body. Now you're going to take your magic circle, place it on the ground, lift your left fingertips to the ceiling. Now, you're going to place both hands on the magic circle. Lean over to the left side of your body. You can bring that right toe up. Remember, this is a hip and shoulder opening class. Hip, shoulder, and spine opening. You're going to feel so beautiful, so opened up after this. Now you're going to place your left hand in the center and right fingertips lift. Feel a beautiful rotation in through the spine. You're going to take your hand down, both hands on that magic circle. Magic circle's here to kind of help you go deeper into this stretch. Now, you're going to take your magic circle. You're going to grab it behind And you're gonna just lift. Take the magic circle away from your body. Eye gaze to the ceiling, chest opening, heart opening, chest expansion. Now, you can hinge at the hip, bend forward, only if your body will allow, and take it over. This is a chest expansion, chest and shoulder opening move. I understand you may not be able to go here. So you go where your body tells you to go. Everyone come on up. I want you to come up on your knees. Now, I want you to take your front hand, place it on the magic circle. Thread the left hand under, sit on your heels. Shoulder opening. Remember, we're focusing on shoulder, hip, and spinal health in this basic stretch 20-minute class. So you're going to feel this in the upper portion of your shoulders. Really rest your heels on your butt. Feel the beautiful rotation your spine has to give you. Breathe into the tight muscles and let go. Now you're going to take your back hand, place it on the magic circle, palm up with the front hand, and thread the needle to the back of the room. Beautiful spinal mobility going on right here. Now I want you to place both hands on the magic circle on each side, and I just want your forehead to rest into the mat, releasing in through your upper body a little more. You may feel this in your armpits, you may feel this in your upper back, your butt is sitting on your heels, and your hands are grabbing each side of the magic circle. Your forehead is rested into the mat. You're going to feel this beautiful stretch. Now I want you to take your front hand, just drive it to the back of the room. So you've just circled your magic circle to the back of the room. You're going to take your magic circle, you're going to rotate that back arm to the front of the room. Beautiful shoulder opening. One more time, the front hand just rotates to the back side of the room. You're going to feel this in your armpits and all around, really releasing that upper body. And now take the back hand, roll it to the front side of the room. The first time you do this, it may be an intense, deep stretch, but boy, is it beautiful. Now both hands center and come back up. You're going to take your front leg. Now you're going to just take your magic circle and we're going to lift to the ceiling. Track 3. We're going to get deeper into the hip mobility right here. So we released in through our spine and in through our shoulders. We're going to really dig deep in through the hips now. Now your arms do not come behind your ears. Soft bend in your elbows. And let's just hold this beautiful, deep, intense hip opening stretch. Now, I want you to take your magic circle and just take it in front of you. Lift your front hand. Beautiful spinal mobility and rotational stretch. You may be a little shaky. You may not want to open up. Breathe into where the muscles are tight. Take your hand down. Place your front hand on the magic circle and back hand lifts. Beautiful rotational patterns for spinal health. And shoulder mobility as well. Take it down. Now I want you to take the magic circle. You're going to place it on that leg. Grab between each side of that magic circle. The magic circle allows us to go deeper into these stretches, my friend. If you sit at your computer all day long, I would highly recommend this 20-minute workout because we really open up and through our entire body. Now, you just take the magic circle off, hands in between, and we're going to switch the back leg, front leg to the back leg forward. Let's get our bearing, hip opening, and let's begin to lift. We're just going to simply do that other side. Breathe it through. Beautiful deep hip opening here. Oh, I feel it. Arms do not come behind your ears. Magic circle just allows you to go deeper. Breathe where you're tight. Now I want you to take the magic circle and lift that back arm to the back of the room. This magic circle really allows you to go deeper into your twist. You may be a little shaky. That's okay. Now take your back hand, place it on the magic circle. Front hand twist. Deep opening, right? Deep opening. Oh man, do you not ever feel this in your hips? Now you're going to place your hand down. You're going to sit it back. And you're just going to grab between each side. No tension in the head, neck, or shoulders. Let's just roll it down, stretching the back side of the body. You guys are going to absolutely love me. Now, take it off, lay on your back. You're going to love me. Take the magic circle and lift that leg. You can straighten the back leg. Beautiful. We're going to continue some hip opening. We're going to take the leg to the back side of the room, and you're going to look over the front shoulder. And you're going to take it up one more time, stretching the back side of that leg. Oh, beautiful. The magic circle allows you to go deeper and take that foot down. Back leg, foot goes in the magic circle, and we just hold this stretch. You feel the entire back side of your legs open up. Now cross to the front line, front of your body. Look over your back shoulder. Last track, my friend. This is it. Lift that leg up one more time. Just release, let the muscles release. Put a bend in the knee, come up onto all fours. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips, cat-cow. Spinal health right here. Your timing on the cat-cow stretch. Open up, become very mobile, and through your spine. I want you to curl your toes under, downward facing dog. Release the back side of your body. Shake your head yes, shake your head no. Let it release. Last stretch, we're going to take that back leg, take it to the front. Pigeon pose, back heel to the front hip, and you're just going to sit it down and release and through the deep lateral rotators. Breathe, because I know these stretches are very, very intense. Deep hip opening stretches. Again, we did shoulder, spine, and hip opening exercises today. Breathe, and where it's tight, move that hip around, back and forth, and see where you're tight. And And begin to breathe deep and just open up into it. Open up into it. Now hands come right by your shoulders. Curl that front toe under, back into downward facing dog. Try to go a little deeper this time. Set your heels on the ground. Shake your head yes and no. Just release. Press through the pads of your hands. Take that front foot forward. Front heel comes to the back hip. And you just go where you need to go. Breathe. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Notice where you feel tight. And maybe move your hip to the outside. Move it to the inside. And just notice where you feel tight. Just open it up. Let it release. Sometimes it feels better when you can just move with it versus a static stretch. So just move with it if you feel you need to move with it. Now I want you to take your hands by your shoulders, curl your back toe under, downward facing dog. One more time. This is it. So just really release. Shake your head yes. Shake your head no. I want you to walk your hands back to your feet. Grab your elbows and hold this deep forward fold. And just shake your hips side to side if that feels good. Feel the back side of your body release. Put a bend in both knees. And roll it up, one vertebra at a time. We're going to go thumb back and pinky rotate back to finish shoulder opening. Thumb back, halfway, pinky. Move through the wet cement. Thumb and then pinky. Shoulder opening. Thumb and then switch to the pinky to the back of the room. Couple more, guys. We're almost done. Thumb and then pinky. One more time. Thumb and pinky. Now, interlace your fingers behind you. Chest expansion. Right ear, right shoulder. Shoulders set back, down and away from our ears. Just release. Drop the left shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. Drop the right shoulder. Release the tension in the head, neck, and shoulders. Drop the right shoulder. One more time. Right ear, right shoulder. Release and let go. Left ear, left shoulder. And head, deep breath in. And exhale. Wow, we're done with class. All right, guys, if you'd like to do some more of my basic, super quick, extended stretches, go in the description box below right now and click the playlist and focus on mobility and flexibility. As we get older, if we don't take the time to do these workouts, our bodies get stiff and they decrease our range of motion in our joints, decrease. You do not want that to happen to your body. So do this simple workout 2 or 3 times a week when you're feeling stiff or when you're feeling tight. Look at me. All I ask is that you subscribe to my channel, you share and follow. Share these workouts. If they helped you, then maybe they'll help other people as well. Let's just pass the word forward. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. It's been such a pleasure. I know you feel so good right now. I do too. Until next time, my friend. Goodbye.